AB is a lighthouse 75 meters tall. C and D are the positions of two ships on the same side of the lighthouse. Also, it's given that one ship is exactly behind the other ship. There is an observer on the top of the lighthouse, that is at B. From B, the observer measures the angles of depression of the two ships. This is the position of the observer. So through the eye of the observer will be the horizontal. From this position, the angle of depression of the ship at C is measured. So the line segment BC is a line of sight. From the same point B, the angle of depression of the ship at D is also measured. So BD is another line of sight. The angles of depression are given to be 30 degrees and 45 degrees. This is the horizontal. This is a line of sight. Clearly, the angle between the horizontal and this line of sight is 30 degrees. It's very clear that this angle is greater, the magnitude of this angle will be more than the magnitude of this angle. Horizontal line of sight. The angle between the horizontal and this line of sight is again the other angle of depression, which is 45 degrees. You can see that this angle is wider than this angle which measures 30 degrees. So this is 30 and this angle is 45. This angle is wider than this angle. So we have marked the angles of depression of the two ships C and D. Now since alternate angles are equal, or angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation, see here, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Alternate angles are equal. We could put it either ways. So when this is 30 degrees, this will be 30 degrees. See here, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. So when this is 30 degrees, this is 30 degrees. Again, this angle is 45, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. See here, this is 45, so this will be 45. Alternate angles are equal. Now with this information, we need to find the distance between the two ships. That is, we need to find the length of the line segment CD, which is marked X. Now we know that AB is 75 meters. Now in this right triangle ADB, we know this angle measures 45 degrees and this side measures 75 meters. So let's connect this angle with 75 meters and the side AD. Clearly, cot 45 degrees is equal to adjacent by opposite. We could also use tan 45 degrees. Here we can see cot 45 degrees is equal to adjacent AD by opposite AB. So AD is not known to us. We are trying to find AD. By AB, which is 75, is equal to the value of cot 45 is 1. On working this, we have AD is 75 meters. So AD is 75 meters. Now let's take the other right triangle ABC. We have only two right triangles in this figure. One is ADB and the other is ABC. We cannot use any trigonometric ratio in this triangle BDC. It's not a right triangle. BDC is not a right triangle. So we cannot apply any trigonometric ratio in this triangle. We have only two right triangles. We have used the first one and found AD. Now let's use a second right triangle, ABC or CAB. We know that this angle is 30 degrees. Ignore this line segment. See only the triangle ABC. Just ignore this line segment BD in the middle. So this is 30 degrees. We know that this opposite side, that is the side opposite to 30 degrees, is 75 meters. That's known to us. Since we need to find CD, we need to connect 30 degrees with 75 meters, that is AB and AC. So again, we could say tan 30 degrees or cot 30 degrees. Here we see cot 30 degrees is equal to adjacent AC by opposite AB. The value of cot 30 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to AC or CA is x plus 75. Or you could simply write CD plus 75. CD plus 75. Here they have marked CD as x, so x plus 75 by AB, which we know is 75. So you will have to cross multiply and simplify and find the value of x, which is 54.75. And what is x? X is CD, and that is the distance between the two ships, which we had to find. So the distance between the two ships is 54.75 meters.